SDGs goals mention one of the biggest problems faced by all nations, which is hunger. A similar situation is also found in Indonesia. According to Badan Pusat Statistik, Indonesia's population is increasing every year. Due to the population's growth, many people have realized that the needs for animal protein must be fulfilled. We chose omega-3 because it is easy to produce and essential for our health. It is more important than any other fatty acids because of its anti-inflammatory and anti-clotting effects. It is also good for the central nervous system and the brain. As you know, omega eggs are more expensive than regular chicken eggs because omega eggs are produced from laying hens, which are given a special treatment process. This makes most people prefer to buy ordinary eggs, which are cheaper.
Therefore, it is necessary to provide eggs that rich in omega at a relatively cheaper price. Some ingredients rich in omega that can be used as poultry feed are water hyacinth and earthworm. First, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth is commonly found in Indonesia and has a high growth rate. This plant is considered as a weed that can damage the aquatic environment. Second, earthworm. Earthworm are animals that can be made into source of animal feed because they are rich in nutrition and it can be found easily in Indonesia. Both water hyacinth and earthworm themselves have a potential to be given to livestock, especially as chicken feed. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Isponesia, my name is Regan Arrazzaq and my partner is Andika Ariaputera, and we are from
SMP Semesta 2 Semarang.
Based on that problem, we created
Hydro, utilization of water hyacinth and earthworm for feed addition to help increase omega-3 content in eggs. The research purposes for this study are to determine the optimal ratio of water hyacinth flour and earthworm flour addition into poultry feed so that it can increase omega-3 content, and also determine how water hyacinth flour and earthworm flour affect the chicken's egg production.
This research was conducted from October 2023 to January 2024 at our home, Biology Laboratory of SMP Semesta 2 Semarang, chicken poultry at Gunung Pati Semarang, and some analysis took place at UPT Laboratorium Terpadu of Diponegoro University. Next is the procedure of sample preparation. Firstly, we made water hyacinth flour. The water hyacinth that we use is taken from lake around Semarang. The first process is collecting, then drying by the sunlight, and mashing using a blender. Secondly, we made earthworm flour. Earthworm were taken from Gunung Pati Semarang. The first thing done to the earthworm was to clean it with tap water. After that, it is dried for 1 hour using an oven at 60 degrees Celsius. If dried, the earthworm will be ground until it's soft. Then, it is shifted until we retrieve earthworm flour.
The commercial chicken feed that has been used is CP124, produced by Charon Pokpan, Indonesia, which is designed for laying hens. The commercial chicken mashed using a blender and shifted using a mash sieve. When the water hyacinth flour, earthworm flour, and commercial chicken feed were ready to use, it was weighed and mixed based on the formulation. The next stage was to apply the chicken feed to the chickens. The feed that was given to the chickens had a special dose. The chickens that were used in this research were laying hens with the age of 18 months and have a weight of 1.2 until 1.5 kilograms. It is given a feed with 120 grams per chicken per day. Lastly, egg samples were extracted using anahexane and then analyzed using spectrophotometry. Based on the result of the study, it was found that water hyacinth flour and earthworm flour hold effect the omega-3 content in chicken eggs. T3 was found to be the one with the highest omega-3 content, with 80% commercial chicken feed, 10% water hyacinth flour, and 10% earthworm flour. Omega-3 can be consumed to prevent coronary heart disease, arthritis, and its fatty acid is also very important for the proper functioning of the brain and the retina.
As we can see, the research results show that the addition of water hyacinth flour and earthworm flour give an insignificant effect to the egg mass, yolk mass, and the yolk color. The average of the egg mass is 64.6 grams, while the yolk mass is 15.7 grams. This is in line with research done by Puitendaj et al. Show that there's no significant effect to the laying hens on dietary intervention with omega-3.
Based on the result of the study, it was concluded that water hyacinth flour and earthworm flour are able to increase omega-3 levels in commercial chicken feed. The highest omega-3 level could be found in T3 with 80% commercial chicken feed, 10% earthworm flour, and 10% water hyacinth flour.
That's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your kind attention. My name is Regan Arrazzaq, and my partner is Andika Ariaputera. Because the greatest wealth is health. So, let's take care of our health by consuming good quality food.